Guys, we're launching one new program for the CAT 21. In case you want to attend the demo lecture today at CK, so just call the numbers given here. So today 6 to 7 p.m. I'm taking DI Logica G strategy. So in case you want to attend this lecture, please call any of the numbers here. If you already attended the session earlier at demo lecture, then you don't need to come because the same topic I'm going to repeat. Alright, so you can just call the numbers here and you can attend the demo lecture. CET का डेट आए ना आए, बट एक छोटी सी अच्छी न्यूज़ आ गई है. द गुड न्यूज़ वी हैव गॉट हियर फॉर द CET MB CET स्टूडेंट. द नंबर ऑफ सीट्स आर गोइंग टू इंक्रीज एंड दे आर गोइंग टू रिवाइज द सिलेबस. Thank you Baba ji for at least revising the syllabus. So they are now introducing 5 new courses. This is as per the Shakal newspaper in Pune. So these are the 5 new courses which have been introduced. So service management, sustainability management, digital marketing, fintech, and project management. These are the 5 things which are in thing today, and trust me guys, even if you do marketing finance, lot of you will be working in all these areas. Okay, digital marketing, fintech, sustainability management, consulting. Trust me, most of the consulting jobs, especially the government projects, are coming into this side. Service management, all these things, and this is right now is being implemented in Pune, Nagar, Nashik area. Now this is newspaper is based on this thing, so this is Pune University have done that. We hope ki Mumbai University, Nagpur University also do all these things. So as of now, there are many colleges in Pune, Nagar and Nashik. Total 30,000 students are there. But if we don't care about what is happening to the low-end colleges, but my main concern is if this thing can be implemented in the top colleges, it will be a huge benefit. For example, here we can see the number of seats will go up from 120 to 180. So if that is the case, this will be a huge benefit for Pumba, for COEP, all the top colleges which are there in Pune. And agar ye Mumbai mein bhi ho gaya, so JBIMS can also see the number of seats going up, JB, Sidnam, all the colleges. So JB have a potential 120 to 180 seats can be done. Sidnam 120, 120, 180, 180. PGDM MS total 360 seats can be done. So this is as per the new AICTE approval. Okay, that in case you want to update the curriculum, you have to add these new MBA programs. So we have to wait and watch, and this can be done as soon as 2021-22. So I mean this year batch, your batch, those who are giving CET exam this year are eligible for this. So let's hope the number of seats are increased. We have to just wait and watch for that. But first thing first, CET का डेट तो आए. जब तक डेट नहीं आएगा तो ये सब बात की बात है हमारे लिए, बट ठीक है. तो दिस इज़ अ वेलकम न्यूज़. ऑल द बेस्ट.